All right, welcome to our French class today. I'm your teacher, Evangelist Edwin. In today's topic, we are still on le son, that is the sounds. And today we are in part 5. And we want to treat the sound oa, 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 o-I, oa. You know, I used to tell my friends and some of my schools that this word OI is not to be pronounced as O. It's no more, the sound is completely off from O sound. So it's what? OA, OA. Because if you use O sound to approach it, you fail it completely. So it's what? OA. And let us see how the thing is being pronounced. Here we have onduat. Onduat. That is talking about finger. Then here we have onrua. Onrua. Rua is talking about what? A king. A king. King. Then here we have onwazo. 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 Get it right. Onwazo. You know, I'm using this form, or I'm just teaching it this way, so that you get every bit of everything I'm saying here. On Oiseau. Oiseau is talking about what? Bird. Bird that flies. And here it's talking about what? On boîte. Boîte. On boîte. Boîte is box. Box. It can be a box of matches. It can be a box of clothes. It can be anything. As long as that thing is a box, is what? Boîte. So it depends on the box you're talking about. Then here we have a very short sentence that says Alima Afra. Alima Afra. That means Alima has cold. You know, when somebody has cold, the person checks. So you said Alima Afra. Alima has cold. Here we have Dubois. Dubois. That is the wood. Wood. Wood is talking about bois. Then here we have Trois souris. Trois souris. That is what? 3 rats. 3 rats. Then here we have another short sentence that says, Je lis une belle histoire. Je lis une belle histoire. Je lis une belle histoire. That is talking about somebody saying that I read a very beautiful history. History. Histoire. History. Now, how do we get the sounds ua out of these words written here? Now look at it. Every OI is the ua sound. Dua, dua, dua. OI, ua. Look at this. Roa, roa, roa. Don't say roi. As you are seeing the spelling, as you are seeing the word. It's not roi, but what? Roa, roa. Then here we have oiseau, oiseau. I'm not saying oiseau, but what? Oa, oa, oiseau. If you don't take it this way, you fail it. So it's what? OI is the sound here. Oa. Then here we have boîte. OI is the sound. Please be careful. Don't underline above the number you're supposed to underline. Because if I mistakenly do it like this, underline with the T, it is no more oa. It now becomes what? 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 So please don't go there. Leave it on the O and the I at the sound oa. Now, come to this side. We say Alima Afra. Alima has cold, cold. So the OI is the sound. Now here we have Dubois. Dubois. Talk about the wood. Now the OI is the sound there. Now here we have Trois souris. Trois souris. That is what? 3 cats. 3 rats. The OI is the sound. There is no sound OI here. Now look at this. I want to pause a bit. I want to teach you something here. You know, sometimes when we talk about Suri, people take it to be another different thing. Maybe sometimes when there are some books I'll read, I'll see some mistakes and I say, maybe it's the way the person just, understand his or her own. This Suri, when we talk about Suri in the other side, it's talking about was smile. But when you remove S and put E, it turns to what? It turns to what? Smile. Suri and pray. When we say Suri, that is smile a bit. You smile. When you smile, that is what Suri. Now this one is also talking about what? Suri. The same sound, but the only different thing there is what? The S. When you remove S and put E, it becomes what? Smile. When you remove the E and put S, it turns to what? Right. Now, you don't say Suris. You don't say the other one Suri. It remains what? Suri. Only that the S remains what? Silent. God bless you as you continue. Then here we have Jeli in Bel Histoire. The OI here is what? The sound that we are looking for. Remember, in pronouncing the Histoire, please don't pronounce it with what? The H. This is supposed to what? Remain silent. Simply say what? Histoire, Histoire, Histoire. Don't say Histoire or Histoire. No. Go as I just directed you now. You say what? Histoire, Histoire, Histoire. Don't say Histoire. No. As I've warned you before. Please get the information I've given to you now. It will help you get it more better. God bless you. But remember, all we have just underlined. We're talking about what? The OA sound. Please don't go beyond the OI. And with this, if you continue, your legs will get more stronger in your French learning as a beginner. And with this, dear viewers, we're bringing our class today to an end, and I believe you enjoyed our class today. To get more of our videos, why not subscribe to this channel and share with your friends and loved ones. But remember that we also do some kinds of translations of music from English to French. If you are interested in that, you contact us. We're also in interpretations and teaching in schools and the private classes. If you are interested in any of them, get in touch with us on the numbers on the screen as you watch. So you call us for more negotiations. God bless you. Au revoir.